guys, legit, we have, where the heck's it gone? A drone that's flying here. Like, what the heck is going on? Dad, can we put this video on YouTube? Dad, you were so well. Oh God, I can't even. Dad, can you film me now, please? Dad.
Hold on there. Just be very gentle, yeah.
Okay, thanks. You hold this, please, with your hand.
I'm going to get these feet properly because if he loses the feet, we won't be able to find them. I need to glue them back in again. Okay.
Okay, Dad. Guys, right, here you go.
You got on record now?
Yeah, it's on record now. Right, guys, get ready.
You have to get it closer to you so I can see it. Can't get you and him in at the same time.
How do I get it closer to me?
I've showed you, Luke. Here, hold that a minute. Just knock it off. Knock it off for the time being. Right.
I'll pause it.